Alright, so we're working on our 67 Firebird today, and we've got an issue. We've got one fuel line headed that way, we've got the one coming from the pump headed that way. So if I go to put a regular line on there, I end up with a kink. Almost no matter what you do with it, you're going to get some flow restriction there, unless you make the hose really long, maybe. I'm also trying to get from 3/8 to 5/16. So what I've got is our Sidewinder hose. It's got built-in angles. You've got a 90, a 180, and a 135, and a 45. So we can just line up on here what angle we think would work best, and that 45 looks about perfect. And we won't have any kinking going on there. So I'll go ahead and cut that off. Alright, so I got my 135-degree bend cut out. This is 5/16. I'm going to go ahead and put that on our carburetor side. Look at that. Got our clamps. Go ahead and clamp this one down. Good. Alright, and then this is going to be a little bit tough, so I'm going to put a little gasoline in here so it'll slide over that 3/8 a little easier. Okay, put gas on there so because it evaporates off. And push that on there. Bring the clamp up. And now we have a fuel line with no kinks.